Okay everyone, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but some of you guys know how girls might not find this pleasing, they might find this gross, so they think coaching is annoying. Well, this is the makeup matter. Okay guys, I have to lay down, suck air in it, and then impale it. And if you want to impale me, I'll show you. And no guys, these are not fake burps at all. Watch. I'm telling you, these burps are literally real. See, look, I breathe in hard like this, and then you have to breathe out really fast. Okay guys, that's the video for now. This video is gonna be called quick burp. Or anything like that. But I know it's gonna have burp or belch in the name. See you later. Signing out.